Hello everyone, this is Zemcams reporting back again playing Risk of Rain 2. Last time I played Risk of Rain, I died to freaking... I forgot already, but like, I went Rambo mode in one of them, in like the first video I published. Not published, uploaded. And after those two videos, I played with my uncle, and I was able to get Artificer, and it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. I haven't played it yet, but it looks pretty cool. The effects pretty cool. Freezing, create a barrier that hurts enemies 100%. Flamethrower, ignite, burn all enemies in front. I would honestly rather have Huntress, since I'm pretty good as Huntress. Kinda. Titanic Plains. And also, a quick update, if you're wondering what the hell this engine thing does, I suggest not getting it unless you want to unlock a character. I suggest getting it if you want to unlock a character, but if you really don't want to unlock a character, do not get this. Do not get that, because it will explode. It sucks. It generally sucks. Some stuff. Increase attack speed. Look at these goons. Okay, so apparently these are not called crabs, they're called beetles. So I've been calling them the wrong thing the whole time. I'm just gonna get the drones later. I don't always want to get them. I wasted a lot of money, so I'm just gonna save my money for stuff. Get out of here. Tougher times. Go. And freaking, I don't know if this is a glitch, but my first Risk of Rain video, I noticed I got 128 views, which I am forever grateful for. It literally brought a tear to my eye that so much people liked it. Well, not liked, but like watched that video. I'm not sure if it's a malfunction. I will have to check later. But like, that's what I saw when I rewatched the video. You know, just like for purposes, in case of any mic issues, volume issues, it seemed normal. It seemed okay. And also leave a comment if there's anything wrong with like the audio, my mic. Inform me in the comment section below, and so I'll be able to fix it. I do know there's something like right now wrong with my mic. It's because I'm using my bad mic. It's charging, so I'm sorry for that. Hold on, I might be able to fix it. Ow. Hold on, I might be able to fix it. I can't. And also my mic is broken. No, not my mic, my headphone. I've been calling it the wrong thing the whole time. It's my headphone. It's broken. Well, not like at all broken. It's just like a little crack. There we go. And also, if there's anything I might be calling wrong, like snakes for instance, I know they have like a different name, but they sure do look like hell snakes. Inform me in the comments if you would like to, just in case you're getting pissed off with my stupidity. Just in case you get really offended by that. Alright. Check these out. Search for more stuff around here. I haven't found a teleporter. Get out of here. Freaking beetle. Getting more stuff. Okay, that's good. Dealing damage heals you. Oh, that is so good. haven't found the teleporter. Strange. Out here. Screw it. I might as well just get these drones over here. Where is it? It's not over here. It's not over here. Where the hell's the teleporter? Get out of here. Snakes. Here, oh, there it is. I am ready. Oh, not this. Gotta get away from this thing. Get up here. Hopefully that is doing something. That volley of arrows. Oh no! Oh god! No, no, no! Get the hell out of here! Get out of here! No! No! Not again! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Yes, I'm just gonna focus on this dude. Get out of here. No one likes you. You're a pain in the ass. No! No! Me no like it! Oh! Oh, thank god! Thank god! Get out of here! Oh no! Not sticking around for that. Get out of here. All my drones are about to die. Already lost the killing drone. Oh no! There we go. It's dead. Get out of here. Here we go. Get out of here. I could go now. Get me out of here. I wonder if we're still in easy mode. No, we're in medium now. That cool. Some more stuff around here. Little beetles. Get out of here. Well, I should really get that red jade. Oh, these again. Oh god. Okay, nothing else seems to be down here. Or a banner. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's cool. There we go. I have enough now? Oh, not enough. I need 16. Got these little beetles. Get the hell out of here. Out of here. Dumb beetles. Spamming. I'm just spamming. Oh my god, there's nothing. Out of here. My boomerang's the best. I'm out of here. Time to keep on exploring to a different place. Yippee! There we go! This way. No. What is it over here? Oh, nice! This is my favorite, honestly. Freaking favorite. Get out of here. It's right here. I have to get the gasoline. There we go. What else can I get? Right here. Go. Here's a temple. You go bye-bye. Oh, I need like 19. There we go. Get out here. Here we go. Ooh, shock all nearby enemies every 10 seconds. That is powerful. Need more money. Where's the box? Oh yeah. Ow. Get out of here. Whoa! Oh god. Get out of here. I think I'm able to kill whoever's right here. The clay dude. Oh, what the hell is this? I have no idea what the hell its attacks are. Throw meatballs at me! Throw meatballs at me! Strike drones down. There we go. That's down! Good, 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 good. Nice out of that. Oh, it's like a little drone right there. Go. Zapped it out of existence. Oh my god, I got 3 banners! I don't think so. You noobs. You noobs! I'll buy this script. Ooh, keep on getting close to dying there. Get there we go. Stage 3. Kinda hard. That's what she said. Get out of here. Dumb snakes. Hey. What's going on over here? Go. Woohoo! There we go. Where's the teleporter? The hell's over here? Oh, of course, it's a fucking golem. Got wall hacks. He has wall hacks. They're gonna hit me through a wall. Go! Get this thing out of here as well. Good. Okay, something's good. Oh, look at these. Guess who's back? Yeah, these freaking imps. Freaking imps. Get out of here. How the... Oh! Jesus Christ! And also, I did not scream there. I did not scream right there. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, I gotta keep on exploring. Get some good loot. Okay, there's this right here. Whatever, give me it. Extra heal, extra damage to bosses. Okay, that's really good. Really, really good. Give me this as well. There we go. Let's just relax here really quick. Just grind off some noobs. Crack my fingers. Crack my neck. Oh, I'm able to. Alright, what do I get over here? Okay. Get out here. You noob. You noob! Some more stuff. Okay, there we go. Oh, why did I do that? Why did I press that? Press shift button. I should honestly find a teleporter now. Where is it? Hold on, enough. Okay, I'm about to have enough. There we go. Little snakes, get out here. I'm hearing the bison attacking. Oh, there it is. Let's search up here really quick. Keep on hearing the bison attack behind me. Reality is just like right in front of me. Give me that. What's that green thing? And there we go. Little teddy bear. There we go. Damn it! Imp Overlord. Alright, let's fight. No, thank you! Ow. Oh. Oh. I don't think so. Strike force out. Ooh. Oh god, I'm bleeding. Get out of here. Y'all could probably not even tell what the hell's going on. There it goes. Idiot. We win. We win. Is there a chest right there? Gladly take a chest. God damn it. God. Okay, I have to wait for a little while now. Wait for a little bit. Not about to be 95%. There we go. Well, I would like to go up here and buy you a drink. There we go. And I'm out of here. Yes! I'm out of here, losers. Alright, what other map do I do now? Siren's Call. Ship Graveyard. Okay, okay. Okay. What the fuck is that here? Oh god! These? You're sending in your flying goons? Oh my god, I had no idea why I pressed R. Sending any little goons after me? Open barrel. Fucking magma worms. There's magma worms! Give me something. Hurry! God. Magma worms. There's this one. Of course. Have here. Get out of here. Goon. It's okay, I get teleported back over here. Had you for a second, huh? Alright. I'm like talking to myself, Jesus Christ. Oh, turn invisible at low health. Okay, that's good, I guess. Get out of here. I can hear the magma worms getting fucking closer. Get out of here. Little beetles. Oh yep, there's one. There is a magma worm. I'm calling in my goon squad. Goon squad, go! Jesus! Second degree burn. Yes! God. So much going on. What the hell are these? What the hell? Magma Worm's almost dead. Magma Worm's almost dead. And Magma Worm's dead. I think. Of course, more beetles. Okay, get out of here. Go over here. Amazing plan. I have a buttload of money to spend. And I can barely find any chests. Oh, teleported. I'll go explore over here. Here. Jesus Christ, I need more chests. I want to spend some shit. High damage hits also blast enemies from like ice, charging over time. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. What can I get for here? I guess this. I don't know what the fuck it does. Well, that is only quick charge. We just equip it. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, reduce the armor enemies repeatedly striking them. That is gangsta. Get out of here, little goons. Get out. Another war banner. I have 2 so far. Another lance. What the hell are these? Are these like big ass crows? I thought I saw like another box up here waiting to be bought. It's not. So sad. North of the woods. I wonder what happens. Warm. I'm saving my money. Save my money even though I fucking blew all of it on that thing. Little wood religion. Okay, go over here. I forgot where the hell the teleporter is. Go. Oh, not a good turn. That's nice. What the hell? What the hell? Get out of here. You hear a distant whirring. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? And honestly, everything here is just a bad thing. I expect. No, was there something over here? No, god damn it! I keep on getting tricked by these beetles. Anyway, I'm ready to fight. Get my goon squad. Perfect area! Perfect area! It's getting its ass kicked as well. It already died! Jesus! It already died. All my strike drones are out. Oh my god. Everyone's just getting their asses kicked. Honestly, don't even need to do anything. Okay, I kinda had to do everything. I have so much shit. I have so much. Who else do I gotta kill? Okay. Gotta stay teleporter. I'll go up here at least. But gotta wait. Shiny. Oh my god. Get out of here. Losers! I'm out of here! I'm not going in that portal. I should really spend my money on some stuff that's fucking useful. Alright, oh, we're here now. Okay, cool. Shit is about to get crazy. It's been 29 minutes. That's gangsta. Alright, we're gonna be making a stand. We're gonna be making a stand here. Yeah. Fuck. Do not worry, Turn. I will heal you. Oh god! Okay, note to self, never fucking stand in one place. Always gotta move. I'm a dumbass. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm sorry how this ended. I'm very sorry how this ended, but hey, I'm stupid. I'm very stupid. I'll see y'all later.